Got my 4 winning tickets. It looks like it is coming down over there. Up north. And nothing over here. So that's good. Alright. Let's go ride the Green Goblin. What has the Green Goblin got for us? Yeah, it looks like it's gonna really fucking come down, but I don't know if it's gonna come down over here. Hopefully not. I don't want my car to get hailed on if it hails. But it looks like a nasty storm. And it was only a 20% chance of rain today. I got this guy in that car staring at me. That was weird. Oh yeah. Look at that truck. Look at that fucking diesel tip exhaust. That literally screams, oh shit, that black shit's coming out. This guy's a dick. I can't do it, man. I got, oh god, no! Fuck! Sick fuck! Why is that even legal? I gotta inhale your dirty fumes, bro. I should say something to him. I like my truck to be big and dirty and nice and, oh my god, it's a fucking kid. Hi! That he's going to try, and he's going to quickly lose. Oh yeah. Where'd he go? He's gone! Oh, that's hilarious. His little 56 horsepower motorcycle just kicked your ass! Oh man! And that was fun. It was loud and proud the whole way through. Oh. Yeah! He did it. He did it. He actually did it. He raced a big old little truck. And there's my homie. What's up, homie? Vroom, vroom, vroom. Oh! And there they are.
Wow.
Hi.